How to generate flashcards from notes with AI. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From the Create menu, you will see options like Upload a file. To generate flashcards from your note with AI, upload a note file. Once your notes are added, the AI summarizer screen will appear. Under What should we create? Select Flashcards. Then give your set a title, choose your language, and adjust other settings such as outline style, detail level, or a specific section you'd like to include it. Now tap Continue, and the AI will process your notes to instantly generate flashcards. After the flashcards are ready, you can review them, make edits if necessary, and organize them into sets for easy studying. This way, your own notes are automatically transformed into smart flashcards without extra effort. Now you know how to generate flashcards from notes with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.